Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can change your graphic settings so you don't get motion sickness while playing Heartopia. Personally, I don't get motion sickness playing this game, especially because it's not in like first person. If it is, I will get motion sickness. But go to your watch settings and then go to graphics. It says anti-motion sickness tips, and you're just going to read that. Basically, you're going to lower the image quality appropriately. You can kind of test it out here to change it to, for instance, lower, or just at I'm at medium, so it doesn't like that much. Then you're just going to change your resolution to 30 FPS or just 60. I don't have 30 for some reasons, but maybe you can just change it to 60 FPS. And they also give other tips and stuff like that. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.